Install and use ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN Setup Tips. To install and use ExpressVPN on all your devices, you need to follow these steps. First, you need to have an ExpressVPN account. If you don't have one, you can sign up on their website. Next, you need to download the ExpressVPN app for each device that you want to use. You can find the app for different platforms on the ExpressVPN website. You can install the app on as many devices as you want, but you can only use up to 8 devices simultaneously with one subscription. Then, you need to sign into the ExpressVPN app with your account credentials on each device. You will also need to enter the activation code that you received when you signed up. Finally, you need to choose a VPN server location and connect to the VPN on each device. You can change the server location anytime by tapping on the location picker in the app. You can also access other features and settings in the app, such as split tunneling, kill switch, and network lock. That's it. You have successfully installed and used ExpressVPN on all your devices. You can now enjoy the internet with more privacy and security using ExpressVPN. You can also watch this video for a visual guide on how to set up ExpressVPN on your devices.